Introducing CRUSHER8 trading signals on IBM. Welcome to besttradingsignals.net. As you can see here in the logo, and we have a new signal service here on IBM. CRUSHER8 is a very powerful system. If you're looking for a way to swing trade, hybrid, power trend trade, and really just target these types of big explosive moves that usually traps the market one way then explodes the other, then you're going to want to be getting involved here with CRUSHER8. And you can watch the signals go by, or if you want to trade them, well, you can do whatever you want to do. Now, firstly, let's go pop on down to the performance. Now, keep in mind, we're looking at IBM. IBM doesn't move around in big points, but it can put in some nice moves. And when you're trading options, these nice moves can make you a very nice percent return. So we want to just be running this CRUSHER8 system. And I say we in terms of us as a trading company, as a trading business. We just want to keep the simple focus on habitually running the system, taking all the trades, being there with the smart money management position size, and just letting the system do its thing. So you can see here a picture for IBM 2021, and you can see each trade here is according to the system. All right, so each trade profit and loss, and you can see the running totals, right? So that's just taking each trade and adding or subtracting if it's a loss, just on top of each other. And here's the total by the end of the year, 75 points, which on IBM is very good. Now, 2022, it got a little bit more active, and you can see here the progression of moves. And we're looking to just put on the trade to be in position to capture these moves. And with IBM cheap options, which is the main reason why we are running this on IBM. Otherwise, if it was just for the stock, we have other stocks we would just run the system on to make more. But with these good options that can respond with a very good percent return, well, IBM becomes a lot more exciting. So also we wanted to put out CRUSHER8, and we have a punked system running on IBM now. We wanted to put out these signals on IBM for folks who have don't have a lot of money, okay? And so they can play these cheaper options and have a better money management position size relative to their account size. And that's up to the point of this recording. It's really rough out there, versus even 10 years ago. All right, so so we have these signals. They're very nice. You can see the progression of trades. Sometimes they don't. The move doesn't mature into a big one, but we are there for when the move does mature into a big one. And if you hit 8 points, 9 points on 10 points on IBM options, well, you can make a lot of money. So we give you the options position. Okay, and there's 23 points, which, that's an extra bonus, right? So we give you the options position and the stock entry and exit. So we give you our pick of what strike and what expiration. And then you can do whatever you want with that, right? You can pick your own. You can use that as an idea to bounce off of. And you can even just use these signals as a trading idea service to look at the idea and then look at your own factors and optimizations and overlay them to the signal to find the best of the best. And so your approach would be more strategic. Our approach here is systematic. All right, we don't want any opinions. We don't want anyone's special feelings. We don't want any of that extra info. We want to see the chart, see if it corresponds to the CRUSHER8 entry rules, and then if it does, we then put out the trade. We put out the entry, stop loss, and profit-taking mechanism will happen as the trade progresses. Now, something we're looking to also add to CRUSHER8 and some of the other signals like pump is we decided to roll in optimized profit taking, which on some trades we can have a price target that can usually take close to the maximum of a move, as in picking tops and bottoms, based on logical support and resistance concepts that we have and through our experience. It's not to say the move won't keep going either, but if we can take out these price target profit-taking moves, usually you can make a lot more money, 30-50% more, and sometimes even roughly 60 to 70% more by having these profit targets. Now, not every trade is a candidate for a profit target. The trade has to be advancing well, and it needs to be accelerating to be worthy of a profit target. Otherwise, we'll just use the trail stop method and let the trade develop. Okay, and we'll update you when there's a new trail stop adjustment. We do send out a signal, an email to you, and then you just go log in to the members area. So it's pretty straightforward. It's very self-explanatory. The signal itself is really easy to understand. It's self-explanatory in the signal itself. Then we have some easy instructions. You can always ask us questions if you're new, you're confused to the way we do things. Okay, so this is CRUSHER8 on IBM. This is just an introductory video. Probably toss it up on the sales page. This is a general video for CRUSHER8. We'll put the IBM one up here somewhere. And so we just duplicated these CRUSHER8 pages, so they'll look similar with this. What do you call this? A template, theme, whatever page, and so it looks similar, but you want to look at the logo because we have CRUSHER8 on other instruments as well. But let's just be focused here on IBM. This is a really good system, all right? And if you look at some of the other assets, you'll see incredible profit captures. And this is a system that is also, it's fairly easy for us to call. Some of our other systems, they take a lot of analysis, right? This one is a little bit easier, So that's just all good. That's all good news for everyone. And it makes it more exciting for us to call these CRUSHER8 trades. I mean, this is an exciting system. So this is a type of system that we will look to run decades into the future, Lord willing, and we'll see about the signals, running signals in decades in the future. But for now, it's fun to run. So it's fun to trade. So if you're interested in adding another wealth building stream, then get started. You can just click the add to cart button below, and if you see a low rate, with a slash price next to it, then if you get that rate, you can lock it in. And when we raise the prices later as the new economy rolls in, then you'll get to keep your old price. So that's about it. I hope that CRUSHER8 can be of benefit to you. Thank you.